Welcome! In today's video, you'll follow a simple but heartwarming conversation between a young man and a barista at a coffee shop. Through their dialogue, you'll learn useful English expressions that are perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. You'll hear real-life vocabulary for ordering coffee, using polite expressions, asking short questions, and even handling mistakes kindly and naturally. By the end of the video, we'll highlight and review all the key phrases so you can remember them and start using them in your own conversations. So let's start! The little bell above the coffee shop door gave a gentle ring as Adam stepped inside, a bit unsure of himself. The place was cozy, smelled wonderful, and had a nice buzz to it. Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
I would like a big cafe with milk.
You mean a large latte?
Yes, latte. That's the word. Thank you.
No problem. First time here?
Yes, first time in this place. I just moved.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's busy, loud, but interesting.
That sounds about right. Don't worry, it gets easier. Coffee helps.
I hope so. I think I'll need a lot of coffee.
Well, you're in the perfect place then. So, what kind of coffee do you like?
Do you have espresso?
Wait, I think we pronounce it the same way. Are you from?
Maybe we are. That would be nice.
Let me guess. You like your coffee strong and sweet?
Yes, with sugar. It's what I used to drink back.
That reminds me of what we drink back home too. It's funny, isn't it?
It's funny. The coffee is different, but the feeling is the same.
Exactly. A good cup of coffee feels like home, wherever you are.
I like that.
Here you go. One large latte.
Thank you. It looks great.
You'll be just fine here. Just take things one step at a time.
Or one cup at a time.
Even better.
Thank you for being kind. I was nervous.
That's okay. Everyone is. At first, you're not alone.
Today, I feel a little less lost.
Then I'd say that's a good first cup. These are real phrases from the conversation that you can use in your next coffee shop visit. I would like a big coffee with milk. Yes, latte. That's the word. Thank you. First time in this place. I just moved. Do you have espresso? Do you have cappuccino? Do you have iced coffee? Do you have caramel macchiato? Do you have cold brew? The coffee is different, but the feeling is the same. Thank you for being kind. I was nervous. Today, I feel a little less lost. Want to learn more real-life English through fun, simple conversations? Let your voice be heard. Comment, subscribe, and keep exploring with your channel. Tell us what topic you want in the next video. Your idea might be our next story.